I'm Jane from Patchwork and welcome to my Quilt Block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block, and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button, and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 12-inch block called Trip Around the World. A lady called Lynn asked me if I could do this. She mentioned it in the comments. So here we go, Lynn. I hope you enjoy it. And if anybody else would like me to make a particular block, then please leave a comment and I'll see what I can do. Right, let's get quilting. You will need 12 2¼ inch squares in background fabric, 5 2¼ inch squares in fabric A, 8 2¼ inch squares in fabric B, and 12 2¼ inch squares in fabric C, and 12 2¼ inch squares in fabric D. Block layout. So the Trip Around the World block is actually a really good block for using up all your leftovers. So if you've been making a couple of these blocks in my series, you might have enough leftovers to make up this really great block. Press your squares and lay in your block layout. Pin in pairs, right sides together, and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Return to the block layout. There's no need to press yet. Pin again and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. And then return to the block layout. Again, no need to press. Pin and sew with a 1/4 inch seam again. Return to the block layout and press the seams on the columns in opposite directions. As you can see with the arrows. Pin the columns matching the seams and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Return to the block layout and press the seams to one side. Pin the columns again, matching seams, and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Return to the block layout and press the seams to one side. Pin the columns, matching the seams, and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Return to the block layout and press the seams to one side. Congratulations! You've made the Trip Around the World block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.